will start the new chapter, that is chapter 6, Rural Administration. Along with the Gram Panchayat, the police as well as other officers appointed by the government play an important role in maintaining law and order and looking after the administration in the rural areas. So, along with the Gram Panchayat, the police and the other officers which are appointed by the government, whether they are central government or state government, they play an important role in order to maintain law and order in a uh, in an area, and also they look after the administration at the rural areas, that means at the village level. Let us learn more about the features of rural administration in our country. So the first topic is the police. The police is responsible for maintaining law and order. So we generally know that the police is the main you can say responsible for maintaining law and order in a country. In each district there is one superintendent of police, that is SP, heading the police administration. So we already know that in each district there is one superintendent of police, that is SP, and who is the head of a police administration. He belongs to the IPS, that means he come under the category of Indian Police Service. Each district is divided into 5 to 6 subdivision, each headed by a deputy superintendent of police, that is DSP. So each district which come under a state, it is divided into 5 to 6 subdivision according to the population, and each subdivision is headed by a deputy superintendent of police, that is DSP. Subdivisions are further divided into police circles. So the subdivision are further divided into police circles according to the areas. An inspector in charge of each circle. So inspector is appointed for each circle. Each circle has about 10 police station called thana. So in an area or in each circle which come under the subdivision of a district, they comprises of 10 police station, which is known as thana. A thana is under the charge of station house officer, that is SHO. Sub inspector, assistant sub inspector, constable and head constable work in a police station. So all these people, they work in a police station. For each village, the police also appoint chowkidars to look after law and order. So for each village, the police appoint various chowkidars who will look after the law and order at a village level. Each police station is responsible for maintaining law and order in a particular village or 2-3 villages. So each police station, they are responsible for maintaining law and order in a particular village, or if the population is less, then 2 or 3 villages are combined. Unlawful acts such as theft, robbery and violent conflict have to be reported to the police station. So if any criminal or unlawful activities taken place in an areas, just like theft, robbery or violent conflict, they have to report to the nearest by police station. There is a jail in each district. So there is also a jail in each district. A jailer and a deputy jailer are in charge of the jail. There are separate jails for male and female criminals. So there is a separate jail for male and female criminals. In the jail, the convicts are allowed to take lessons in skills such as sewing, carpentry, etc., so that they can earn their living in a respectful manner once they come out of the jail. So once a criminal who is put it in a jail, they are allowed to take a lessons in skill, that means they are allowed to practice some skills such as sewing, carpentry, so that once they come out from the jail, they can have a respectful life and a basic medium through which they can earn.